Webafowethu, uyazi kusakhona abantu abaphatheka kabi uma sikhuluma iy'ndaba zikaRamaphosa bathi sikhuluma kabi ngomongameli. Bafowethu, zisaveni nina, save your heart, save your emotions and feelings. Inhlanzi sishelwe amanzi kulo muntu wenu. Yabona, when News 24 starts digging like they do, it's because they know that the handlers have broken the strings. That man is no longer protected by his handlers. His handlers have given up on Ramaphosa. I'm telling you. You see, now he's busy denying things that are out there in the open. It's telling us he doesn't know Umawumela. How can you not know Umntana Mfowabo unkosikazi wakho? He thinks we are all idiots. This guy, I mean, it's his ex-wife's brother's son, nitini nephew, or nitini lendole. How can you not know that? And Umatlala is in there. He would now say he also doesn't know Ugutu Matlala no Maumela are together. But from what News 24 has done, they have also now revealed that his vehicle from his security detail was seen in one of the houses of Umaumel. And as we know how he operates, we know Uguti, those very same security detail were sent to go and trace and chase after Abantu who broke into his farm, Palapala. So we know how Ramaphosa operates. Kahlele uRamaphosa is gebeng. He's a criminal. This country is now led by officially we know that South Africa is presidented by a top criminal, Cyril Ramaphosa. He hands off, Rimurata kaufela. His days are numbered. Mene, tekel ufarsin, Ramaphosa. There's nothing left of that man. Except for a few people who still want to give him a benefit of nothing. Because even if you had a doubt, you should have no reason to doubt. That man needs no benefit. Ramaphosa is a criminal. Ramaphosa is going down. And those who are supporting him will be heartbroken soon. As Kisin. I'm sorry, but I'm not the breaker of the bad news. You've already heard your president is bad news.